Joe, what is the first step?
We need to make our Yorkshire pudding batter. You're going to need a whisk.
Whisk.
140 grams of plain or all-purpose flour.
Okay.
Yeah? We need 4 eggs.
Get stuck in.
There's 1.
1, 2.
Can you crack an egg with one hand?
I'll leave one for you to show me.
Oh, God, you can have a go.
How are you doing that? How do you do that? Just crunch it.
No, crack it and then put your thumb in it.
You didn't. No,
Spin it.
That was not smooth.
You need to mix this just till it gets to a paste and it needs to be smooth. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. You've done amazing.
Consistency.
Right.
It's like a sticky beige gloop. How much are we putting in?
200 ml. You gradually add the milk. Into here, crack a little bit of salt.
A bit of salt. Go on, you can do that bit. 6 Yorkshire puddings.
6 Yorkshire puddings, that. And then these you want to fill 1/2 centimetre.
You want to buy yourself a big old glug.
Yeah, I mean the best thing is low fat, full fat lard. The oil's now at 230. It's red hot. We've got to get it out on here, get the liquor in quickly before it cools down. Here we go. Can you shut that door?
I feel like this is an episode of Casualty.
There you go.
Batter's in. You can see it all fizzling up. It looks like the sausage and batter.
Shut the door.
Cool.
That was smooth, you know. So for 25 minutes, you do not touch that door.
Cool, this is really exciting.
So you can already see some of them are coming up.
It's mesmerising.
Yeah. Take your time now, there's no rush. There you go. The perfect Yorkshire pudding for the perfect roast dinner.
Look at that. Pub people, Eddie Brett, it's out now.
Followed by a Sunday roast.